Hi guys, we're here today with our friend. We're going to find out about her. We want you guys to be introduced to regular Filipinos, and she's about as regular as you can get, although she does live on the beach. So we have an interview with her. Jess is going to translate, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, we're in the beautiful beach front.
Yeah, we'll show you.
This
a
is not
picture of that.
California, but it's a beach front.
I lost
All
my
right.
questions, love.
So let's
I lost my question.
start.
Okay, well, you love
All
to start. What is your name? And how old are you?
Unsay imo ngan og pila mo edad?
Pila akong tunay nga pangan, Alejandra Zaprat.
Pila edad ni Alejandra?
64.
Yay!
Very good. Do you have any nicknames?
Ali.
Ali. So we are here with Ali. All right.
All right. When and where were you born?
Diin og ano sa ka na tao?
Diri sa Cebu.
Inayagan.
Inayagan. Oo. March 10, 1960.
Very
So
good.
Inayagan here, was there a
Inayagan.
hospital?
Inayagan.
Was there a hospital?
Naay hospital din he atong higayuna or giun sa makapagpagkatao sa imong-
Sabay.
Okay, in the house.
Kanang,
In the house.
ano,
yeah.
yung,
Yeah.
ano ba yung mananabang?
In the house.
How about that?
Yeah.
At home.
At
right?
home, yep.
Uh,
Home birth.
When you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up?
Katong bata pa ka nya, unsa may imong pangandoy nga ikadako nimo kanang uban ba moingon nga I want to be a teacher ano ikaw unsa man
ingana sa dako pero wala gyud makuan kay gamay pa mi namatay imong tatay.
Okay, so when she was little she wants to be a teacher but her dad died early. Yeah.
So she became a mother,
She became
sort
a
of.
mother.
Yeah. Do you have any close friends or boyfriends?
Naa kay mga close kaayo nga mga amiga o na ba kay uyab?
Nakauyab ko kausa pero mga amiga
Na kay daghan.
daghon.
Ay, she has lots of friends.
She's a friendly person.
Because she's a friendly
Oh.
person, yeah.
Yeah.
And she has a boyfriend once.
So, how many children and what their names?
Pila ka buk imuhang mga anak unya hatagi mi sa
They can come, they
ilang
can
mga
come.
nan. Dali.
Tapos ano, akong anak si Sara,
Pila edad ni Sarah?
30.
Okay.
Tapos si Abby, 29. Tapos si Janjan nako, 27. Ang bunso nako si Joy Joy, 25.
Okay.
Very
Four
good.
kids.
2 girls, 2 boys?
Duha ka babae, duha ka lalaki.
Usa ka lalaki, tulo ang babae.
Okay,
who's
3
this young
girls.
Apo ko.
Here's the apo. The grandchild.
Apo ko
Poor kid.
makulit.
Pull on his cheeks.
Bad ba
All
yan?
right. How did you end up on the beach?
Nganong naabot man ka din his baybayon? Disulti ko nun mi sa imuhang history.
Maong naabot mi dire kay dito mi sa Inayagan puyo sa una. Tapos pag nakuan na ni among yuta, sa ingon akong mama, huy! Ingon akong mama nga, adhi na ta puyo sa baybayon. Kay dito sa kuan nakitira man lang mi sa yuta nga dili amo.
Okay, so at first they were not here in the beach front. They were somewhere there in Inayagan. But by the time that they were the mother have settled that okay, we have a lot. They were just living off with somebody when
Okay.
they started. But then that ended because her mother said, okay, it's time for us to move to our own lot.
Okay,
Sige,
very
Ali.
good. Yeah.
So, mauna na isugod. Mga unsam na tuiga.
Saan tuigang?
I'm asking her, around what year was that? 1960?
Ay wala. Ano na?
1970? 80?
Mga 80s. Mga 80s.
How many houses on that little lot?
So, pila ka buk balay anang inyuhang yuta din ha?
Kami raman na ako managsaon ako mga pag-umangkon.
So, pila ka buk balay gatupo din anang inyong yuta?
1, 2, mga 7.
Okay, 7
7,
houses.
very good. It's a good sized lot.
Yeah.
And everybody gets to enjoy the beach.
Yes.
All right. What are you passionate about? What things are you interested in doing most?
Okay. Unsa kuno yung mga butang nga gusto nimo buhaton karon sa imong kinabuhi?
Happy-happy lang.
How do you make happy? He said, I just want to be happy.
Lakaw-lakaw. Mara, ako biruin ako mga anak ko. mangita kong uyab ha.
Okay.
Ingon na, tapos, tapos ingon sana, oh, okay lang ma. Ikaw
Okay.
na, para ka.
So she joked at her children and she said, "I'm gonna look for a boyfriend." And then she just like to walk in the beach back and forth. Unsa man ang imulakaw-lakaw diri gikan karon buntag hantos gabi ana, lakaw-lakaw ka.
Buntag lakaw-lakaw, ini kaon to, pahuway-huway ko.
Kainit na kayo.
Oh, ini kahapon, balik sa ko, lakaw-lakaw sa ko.
So she said in the morning like this, okay, she walked, and then lunch is a little bit hot, so she rested, and when the sun set or almost to set in the afternoon, she goes again walking. So unsa may mga talan-aon nga imong makita diri ka na ikahapon na nanay daghang mga tawo nanay magdit-dit unsa man?
Naay mga teenager, mga estudyante.
Okay. So she said later in the afternoon as she walk here, she see a lot of students. Mag-unsa man sila magdit-dit,
Magdit-dit, magkiat-kiat diha, tapos di ba na dinhi sa arumahan na giharang-harangan diha nga ano, diha makita niyo diha nay harang-harang. Nasa diha magkuan, magbisyo.
Oh.
Mga teenager.
Lot of bad things they
Oh,
do.
oh.
They go on dating, they do some
Stuff.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, that's too bad. Maybe when they grow up, they'll be better.
Yeah.
Kaya nga mga bata, dili na ko.
So, gayuniforme pa sila.
Oh,
They are still wearing their school uniforms and they just trod here.
mga ano, mga DC
Young
pa lang.
people.
Makaingon gani ko, unsa kay ikapong sa mga ginikanan nga ingana sila.
So, when she sees these children, she always have in her mind that, did their parents know this? What will their parents say if they know that they are just going around here and doing stuff and dating and
But when she was a teenager, she never did nothing wrong.
ikaw ko no sa pagkabataan nimo wa ka mag-iningon
Wala.
no, she said no.
No.
Okay.
Kay,
Okay, go ahead.
di ba inayagan mi? Akong barkada sa karsada mi, mutawid lang ko diha, akong mga barkada pero dili mga lalaki, puro babae.
Yeah, mag-unsa man mo sa
Magduwa-duwa lang mi.
Oh, okay. They just play around.
Yeah.
Wala na nako kanang mag-igat-igat nga kuan. Wala. Ang ako
No,
lang
she don't have
katawa-katawa lang.
she don't have those flirting things of other guys.
So let me ask the final question, sort of the final question. What is the best piece of advice you can give people after her short life?
Okay. So kanang kumon kining pangutanaha labi na nato nga kanang dara nata. Unsa may imong ikahatag nga tambag sa mga batan-on karong panahon na?
Ang ako sang ikatambag ta nila no. Maminaw sila sa ilang ginikanan bitaw niya. Ang ilang pag-eskwela ilang ayuhon ba kay
Okay.
luoy biya kay ang mga ginikanan
Alright,
nagkuan.
Okay, she said what she can tell the young people is they have to do good with their studies and they have to think about the sacrifices of their parents that send them to school. Sige, unsa pa? Napaka
Mauna akong kuan kay may kay sila ba sige suroy-suroy inay ko maabot sila gabi na kayo na mga alas makagawas ko no. Nay usay tan-aw ko diri. Napay alas 11. Oy galakaw-lakaw pa. Nay usa ra ka babay mula ko hala uy usa man na siya nga siya ra usa maglakaw. Di mahadlok nga kay babi ka namin mga adik baya. Di maglakaw-lakaw ko. Usa kay nakaibaw kang ginikanan ani nga maglakaw-lakaw sila.
Okay. So she always feel worried because she will see these students even 11 p.m. baby they are still walking here. So when she sees this kind of scenario, she always thinks of the parents like, did the parents know that this kid is still here around? So she always feel like that when she see all these kids just roaming here in
So
the beach.
her idea is to stay home and study.
So unsa may imong gustong buhaton sa mga estudyante? Muuli og sayo.
Oo, siyempre. Oo. Dili kay gikan sila sa eskwelahan, magdapa sila bag, diretso naman dire. Tapos ano pa, magdapag ilim nonon. Nga makahubog ay
Nowadays
nako.
may kwarta ipalit.
Na siguro nay kulapo.
Oh, so the worst thing is, she said she wants the children to go home when it's time to go home from school, not going around
Going
here.
around.
Yeah, but they are here, and the worst part is, they are bringing liquors.
Oh,
Wow.
the
So I said, do they have money? And she said,
Mm.
Ali said, well, maybe, I don't know. They are bringing liquors
I
here.
don't think they stole it.
Yeah, wow.
Dinhi diha, diha.
Last question.
Anak diha.
We don't want to bash the youth too much. Maybe we'll have a chance to interview some of those
Yes,
teenagers. That would be kind of cool. So the most valuable lesson is to stay in school.
Yeah.
And the bonus question is, can she swim?
Oh, she already said no.
What she didn't tell us.
Makalangoy ka?
Di ko kibaw langoy do.
Nanuman,
She
why?
doesn't know how to
Di ko-
swim. Nga naman.
Di to ko kibaw. Ano ra mo? Tuslo lang ko pero
Who
dili ko
else here can't
langoy.
swim? Who else here can't
Ako
swim?
sa di kalangoy.
Di bitaw tinore. May pa ako mga apo, kibaw mo langoy. Ako di. Ingnon ko na, lula, dali na lula. Nako, oy, kamo lang diya, kay matabang yan ang dagat.
So, she don't know how to swim, but even those little grandchildren that she had, they all know how to
Like fish.
swim. They
Yeah.
can swim
And
like
she never
fish.
learned because.
And she never learned because she's not interested in learning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she did
Yeah,
she
then
did
that'd
not
be-
bother.
Wow.
All right, so thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Oh,
thank you.
Ali.
Thank you for
very
this
much.
wonderful time. Thank you for having coffee with us.
Thank
on
you,
this
Dad.
beach
Thanks for
front.
becoming our friend, being friendly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, very friendly jud ka.
Uy.
Okay, guys. So,
Tell us what you think.
yeah, tell us what you think.
you.
And please don't forget to like, to comment, and please subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Salamat.
Salamat. Di bisag dito Manila. Wala pag ano, yung
So this is Alley,
60 ko tama na kuan ko.
front door
Nag-COVID.
view.
Yung gusto kong amo.
What do you think of that? Wow.
Okay sana sa aming amo. Yung mo na. Pag COVID.
He's telling Jess about her work. We missed that in the interview.
Thank you. So, kung 77